What's up, guys? I have a brand new Xiaomi Android TV stick over here, also known as the Mi Android TV stick. And in today's video, I will show you how to connect this device to your TV. And it doesn't really matter the TV brand you're using, whether it's a Hisense, Samsung, whatever TV brand, or even if it's an old TV, this is going to work pretty well for you. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the device. And over here, we have the HDMI dongle that will be plugged into the HDMI port on our TV. And here we have the charger. There is also this HDMI cable over here. And I think this should be the cable to be plugged to the charger, just like so. And then there is actually the Xiaomi Android TV Stick remote. Now, to connect this device to your TV, you just want to move over to the back of your TV like so. First things first, you want to make sure you plug the HDMI dongle to any of the HDMI ports on your TV. Now, my TV over here has three HDMI ports. It has HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3. Now, what I will just do is to go ahead and plug in this HDMI dongle to any of the HDMI ports on the TV. Now, the next step is to connect the HDMI dongle to the power. And to do this, you need the power cable, which is this cable over here. And you want to make sure you connect this USB-C point of the power cable to the USB-C port on the HDMI dongle. And you're going to find the USB-C port either at the top or at the bottom of the HDMI dongle. And then next, you want to go ahead and plug this other end of the cable to the charger brick, which is this charger brick over here. And then finally, you want to go ahead and plug this charger brick to the wall socket in your house. Now, an alternative method for you to connect this device to the power is basically for you to remove it from the power brick. Just remove it and then plug it to any of the USB-C ports on your TV. Now, that is if your TV actually has a USB-C port. Mine actually has a USB-C port. So instead of plugging it to the power source, I'm just going to plug it to the USB-C port on my TV for it to charge. So I'm just going to plug it to any of these USB-C ports like so, just like so. And you can see the light over here showing that the HDMI dongle is now connected to the power. Okay, now once the HDMI dongle is properly connected to your TV, the next thing you want to do is to go over to your remote control of your TV and change the input source to the same HDMI port where the dongle is actually connected on your TV. So to change the input source, you just want to go over to your remote control and press on the input button. You can see mine over here. And once you press on it, you're going to see all of the HDMI ports on your TV if your TV actually has different HDMI ports. So in my case, the dongle is actually connected to HDMI 1, so I'll just go ahead and click on HDMI 1, press on OK. And now I have to set up the Xiaomi Android TV stick on my TV. But this time, I actually need the Xiaomi Android TV remote, which is this remote control over here. Now to set it up, I'm just going to go ahead and press on OK because I actually speak English. By the way, you also have to make sure that there is batteries on your remote control because actually sometimes there might not be batteries on your remote control. So you have to go ahead and select your region. But I just noticed that there is actually no Nigeria in this list of country over here. So I am just going to choose South Africa, which is actually an African country that is close to mine as my country. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am going to be skipping this Android phone setup process for the Xiaomi TV Stick because sometimes you might have some issues that will make it not to pair very well with the Android phone. So I am just going to skip this process and do the setup manually later. Now you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. In my case, I'm just going to connect it to the Redmi 12 because that is actually my network. So I'll just go ahead and enter my password on the remote control to continue. Now it will take some time, and now you can see that it is now connected to the internet. And now you need to sign in with your Google account. So what you want to do is to basically go ahead and enter your email and your password. In my case, I am just going to click on the sign in option just like so. And now you want to go ahead and enter your email. and then you just want to go ahead and click on this enter button over there, and now you want to go ahead and enter your password. Now, after you must have entered your email and your password, you'll be taken to this Google Terms and Condition page. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to basically read the terms and condition, the privacy policy, and the play terms of service. And once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and accept the terms and condition. Now you want to also make sure that you turn on the location settings so that Google can actually track your location and be able to deliver content based on your location. So you just want to go ahead and say yes as well. And then help improve Android, you just also want to go ahead and say yes, like so. And then there is actually Google Assistant, so you can just go ahead and press on OK to continue, just like so. Then press on continue again, and then you also want to go on and then turn on personal results so that your Android TV will give you personalized results. And then you also want to go ahead and turn on yes, like so. Now what you have to do here is to press on OK again to continue. Now this is just some demo version of how the TV operates, so you can just go ahead and press on OK, to see some of the features the app has. This is Google Assistant and the rest. Cast your TV, and then you just want to go ahead and click on OK again on your remote control to accept the terms and condition. And now your Android TV is fully set up. So basically you can now go on and watch your favorite TV shows on Netflix, and there is also some of the apps that are on your TV. You can also go down to customize your channels, and then if you want to go to the settings, you just have to click on the settings icon over here, like so. And once you click on settings, you're going to get the Android TV settings, your Wi-Fi, your associated email, and here there is also the password preference and so on. Okay guys, so that will be all on how to connect and set up your Xiaomi TV stick with your TV. I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.